In this video, I will show you how you can change Siri's name to anything on your iPad. But before we start, just make sure that your iPad is running on iPadOS 18 or later. Now after you've done that, now just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just scroll down and tap on Vocal Shortcuts. From here, just tap on Setup Vocal Shortcuts and then tap on Continue. Now from here, just select for what you want to create your shortcut. Now from this list, just select Siri. And from here, just enter the name with which you want to call Siri. I will enter Jarvis. Now after you've entered the name, then tap on enter, then spell the word which you have entered 3 times. Just like that. Jarvis, Jarvis, Jarvis. Now just tap on continue. And as you can see, we have created a vocal shortcut. When we say Jarvis, our iPad will enable Siri. Just like that. Jarvis. As you can see, we have successfully changed the name of Siri on our iPad. Just like that. Jarvis. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.